Stick around for a last-minute DIY Mother's Day gift idea. Hey friends, welcome back to Shawnee on the Spot. Well, it's that time again, friends. Another open invitation collaboration hosted by the Daughters of Destiny, who are Styling with Gigi Faison, Lady Cinnamon, and myself, Shawnee on the Spot. All right, friends, this is our second annual Day in the Garden Tea Party, and it's an open invitation, so we'd love for you all to join in. Even if you're not able to do a video, come on and support the playlist and see all the beautiful creations. Now here are the details. Again, the title is A Day in the Garden Tea Party, and the hashtag Mother's Day Garden Tea Party 2022. Please include at least one teacup, one teapot, and display a beautiful floral arrangement. And most all, have some fun. And be sure, mention the host channels and put the links to their channels in your description box. And please, friends, no early uploads. We hope to see you. You know, the Daughters of Destiny want to say thank you for everyone who has been participating and viewing our videos and coming on out and supporting. I want to give a special shout out to my good sis Debbie Bubbles, a part of the Daughters of Destiny, and she's decided to take a little bit of a break, and so we want to honor her as well. I hope to see you all. Okay friends, here's that cute little Mother's Day DIY, and it's a last minute gift idea, so this is something super easy to make. Everything came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting with some picture frames. They are 4x6, but of course you can use any size you want. A cute greeting card that I found that had a cute prayer on it for Mother's Day. Some additional pictures that I'm going to be using in this design. And the flowers also came from the Dollar Tree, and floral foam, and also some foam board. Alright, so I did start by cutting out the greeting card and just using the front of it for the first picture frame, and I'm just going to take out the backing of the picture frame and just replace it with the front of that card. And so that's something simple. Now, of course, this idea would be cute also for any occasion, using a greeting card and some florals and even some balloons you could attach. I've seen this idea with some balloons as well, and I really think it's cute. Now, this is just for demo purposes. The one that I'm really going to make is much different, but I wanted you to get this idea out to you all so you have time to do it. This is even cute for young people to do for their mom. Now again, I'm using 4 picture frames here, and I will be putting them into the shape of a box. Now from here, I'm just going to let you go ahead and take a look, and I'm going to hope that you stick around to see the final product. All right, friends, here is the finished product. Be sure to let me know what you think and if this is something that you'll be making and how simple and easy it is. Hope to see you in the collab. You guys take care and remember, be kind to yourself.